What's going on, guys? It's Connor from M Creek Renovations, and I just finished our closet build in our master bathroom, and my wife ordered on Amazon one of the coolest and most practical closet organizers that I think I've ever seen. When you see this, you're like, man, I should have created this. So I got a pant holder. It's got soft close slides on it. By the end of the video, it should look something like this. Oh yeah. And I'm gonna show you how to put it in. I'm dealing with this little lip that I got from the trim, and this is where I want the pant holder to come out. I'm just gonna backfill it with a piece of scrap 6-inch trim that's just cut to the width of the closet, and just gonna install it on the back, put some wood glue on it, and then hit some screws. Now this is going to be a bit of a hassle. I need to hold up this pant hanger. It's a little bit heavy. It's probably like 15 pounds, give or take. So I got to hold it up with one arm and then run a screw through it on the other. I brought a clamp over. I'm going to clamp the front and then hopefully set maybe 2 screws, and then I should be good. Crap. Beautiful. There we go. Be in there more. Now I don't know whether you can see this or not, but it does come with these little plastic trim pieces. When I put the 6-inch piece of trim in there, because of these holes, it's gonna run into the screw that I had holding that trim on. So I'm just gonna ditch it. I'll do it on my wife's. I'll do it on my wife's side, but for this one, I don't really care about it. It's just for looks, it's just for aesthetics. So I think it's good. We do have one more of these to put in. This one, I'll show you how I'm gonna install that little side trim plastic pieces. Little practice test. She's good to go. Now you get this little baggie. Inside of it you have this pull-out hanger. What you're looking for is these little screws right here. You should have a total of 8 to match the 8 holes that go on this trim piece. So this is what the difference is between adding the trim and not adding the trim. This one has the trim, and then the next one doesn't have the trim, which is my side. Honestly, it kind of gives it more of a raw feeling, more industrial, more modern. And this is what it looks like fully loaded out with pants. Oh yeah, that's nice. The only downside is there's about 11 bars on either side, and it does get a little tight. So if you have like any other pants besides dress pants, or like maybe insulated pants that you want to hang up, it will, you just need to skip a couple bars. And then each bar actually comes with a nice little foam pad to protect your pants as well. But overall, this is great. Very handy, very practical. So I just threw some pants on Claire's side, open and closed. I really like the soft close hinges, or the soft close drawers that it has. When it closes, it's really nice. It doesn't just slam back in there. Again, for about 50 bucks, I think it's a great practical accessory to any closet, especially if you have a lot of pants like I do and Claire does. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Again, 50 bucks on Amazon. And if you're interested, I'll leave the whole closet build right here. Took it from the ground up. We had nothing. Built the whole closet, and we are now living in our fixer-upper. So I'm out of here. That's all I got for today. If you've enjoyed this video, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.